Hey everyone, welcome back to RJ Art Gallery. Today I'll be drawing Anikha Surendran from Nilavuku Enmel Ennadi Kobam movie. If you're new here, I create detailed drawing tutorials to help you improve your art skills step by step. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started.
Nilavuku Enmel Ennadi Kobam Varadum Kadal Poradum Kadal.
We'll first create a perfect outline using Autodesk Sketchbook, then bring the drawing to life on paper. I'll be using Autodesk Sketchbook for the initial outline and drawing simultaneously on paper in a split screen view. Before we begin, I'm setting up my guidelines to get the proportions right. First, I'll draw a 9 cm horizontal line and a 12.5 cm vertical line to frame the face. Let's start with the upper face outline. I'm using light strokes to shape the forehead and temples, making sure the curve is smooth and symmetrical. Next, I'll sketch the lower part of the face, shaping the jawline and chin. Since Anikha has a soft jawline, I'm keeping the lines delicate and well balanced. Now I'll outline her hair. She has long, flowing hair with soft waves, so I'll use curved strokes to shape it. At this stage, we're only focusing on the overall structure and details will come later. Next, I'll add the eyebrows. These should follow the curve of the brow bone. I'm keeping them slightly arched and symmetrical on both sides. Now, let's map out the eyes. The key is to make sure they are well aligned and proportionate to the face. I'm marking the upper and lower eyelids with light strokes before refining their shape. Moving on to the nose, I'm sketching simple guidelines to position it correctly. At this stage, I'll only outline the general structure and refine it later when shading. Let's outline the lips. I'm focusing on the shape without adding details yet. Keeping the curves subtle will make the final drawing look more natural. And that's our completed outline. Now that we have the foundation ready, let's move on to detailing the portrait on paper. Let's begin with the left eyebrow, using light strokes to build up the shape. I'll darken it gradually and add slight texture for a natural look. Now I'll do the same for the right eyebrow, making sure both sides match in thickness and shape. Now let's bring the left eye to life. I'm using a charcoal pencil for the base and gradually darkening the eyelashes and pupil. The key is to blend the shadows softly while keeping the highlights intact for that natural shine. Next, I'll do the same for the right eye, making sure it matches the left in size and depth. Small highlights in the iris can make a big difference. The nose requires soft shading. I'm blending lightly with a tissue to create a smooth transition between light and shadow. For the lips, I'll darken the edges and blend the shadows for a natural look. A little highlight on the lower lip makes it pop. Now I'll shade the face, blending softly with tissue to create a smooth skin texture. For the hair, I'll use long strokes to create natural flow and volume. Adding darker areas gives the hair more depth. Finally, I'll draw the neck and add simple folds to the outfit. Small details here can make the drawing feel complete. And that's it. Our portrait of Anikha Surendran is complete. Let me know in the comments what you think. All the tools I use are linked in the description, so check them out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome drawing videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.